Hey my dear friends, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to hide chats on WhatsApp. So let's begin. First of all, grab your phone, open the WhatsApp app and make sure your app is updated to the latest version. After that you can go to the chats tab at the bottom left corner. Here you can see all of the chat conversation listed there. Find the exact chat if you want to hide. For example, I am hide this chat, so tap on hold it first. From the chat is selected, at the top menu bar you can find the three dots more button. Simply tap on it. From the pop-up menu appear, at the very top you can see archive chat option. Click on it once and automatically hide the chat listed there. However, keep in mind, if you change your mind to decide to unhide the chat again, this time you can simply swipe the top of the screen. You can see archive option. Tap on it. From the pop-up menu you can see all of the hide chats listed there. Simply find the exact chat if you want to unhide, so select it. Tap on hold it to select them. After it's selected, at the top right corner you can see the unarchive icon. This is the arrow button. Simply tap on it once and automatically unhide the chat your WhatsApp account. That's it guys, you are done. If you found this guide will help you, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.